part of the forest that was trees.
After 1/4 mile, turn left.
The trees were harvested, I think, or they cut it. Forest is harvested. There's also some on that other side. But this side, there's a lot more trees cut all the way towards the tent. So I don't know why it was harvested, but there's a huge swath of trees gone compared to these trees here on this side, but on that side too, I just didn't stop. There's also a bunch of trees cut. So we're here at Angelina National Forest near Boton Lake. Is that for global warming? Like this left side, there was a burn. I don't know if it was a controlled burn, because at first I saw smoke and then I saw the black grass, the burned grass.